Hey y'all, I'm back. This time with the giveaway, it's small, but I just want to do a little thank you for all your help when you left me comments about what I should do about my challenge giveaway. As I have stated before, is that I like to do giveaways. I like to bless others, and I have been dying to do, well, not dying. I have been wanting really, really badly to do a giveaway, and I wasn't able to because of the move. And I had planned on doing a beginner's giveaway. Since I was new and I was beginning in paper crafting, I wanted to bless someone else. So with that, I think that this can benefit anybody and everybody, whether you're new or not. But it will help those at least get a couple things that they need when they start. So this is not my challenge. I will be taking every one of your advices because almost every single one, I think one person said do both, but everybody else said wait and do number 2. Wait until I can do a longer one. So around October 1st, I'll probably be announcing my big challenge. So y'all, please, please stay tuned for that. I would love all the support. Now, with that being said, this will be the prize. Now, some of this, y'all know that I have hauled secondhand, like on Facebook and stuff. And then some of it I have actually purchased myself. It's not a lot. It's just a small thank you. And so in some of my hauls, I got a pack, several packs of these little runners. So I'm going to send this off into the giveaway because I figure doesn't matter if you're new or you are a professional. Everybody can use these little easy runners. Basic colors. I had got this from Tuesday morning. It looks like somebody has opened it, but all the pages are still there because it's resealed. But you know how Tuesday morning can be. But it's got polka dots and just beautiful, bold, bright colors. As a matter of fact, I should have got me one. This is actually very pretty. But this is a good basic cardstock brights. And then I got this one also. Now, these are great fall colors. You can use them anytime during the year, but they are the darker colors than I figured which would be perfect. See, there's some lighter colors in the too, but I figured it would be perfect for fall. And especially a lot of pastels are still hanging around with the Pastelween and all that. But yeah, some great fall colors at 6x6. Also came from Tuesday morning. And there you go. So 2 6x6 paper pads. The Easy Runner. And then I picked this also up at Tuesday morning because who cannot use a small, even if you have one of the bigger ones, sometimes we just need a small project, have a small project and need to do some scoring. So I got the mini scoreboard. But here's the whole thing. Oh, and this also is brand new. And I believe I got this in my secondhand stash. But it's brand new. I mean, I got so many new items. But anyway, so these are stencils, which will, you know, I see, let's see. Designer stencil cardstock alphabet die cutouts. It's Creative Imaginations Art Warehouse. Stencil embellishments. Used on your scrapbook pages to create great layouts. Includes 5 sheets, A to Z, numbers and punctuations, 90 items, ideas on back. So yeah, it's brand new, never been opened. So I figured somebody can be blessed with that as well. Now, with that, if you cannot use this, if you've been around and you've got, you know, all you need and you don't need to use this, do me a favor. If you win, it's okay. Do you a giveaway and use some of this. Or if you know somebody who's starting out, give it to them. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just do random comment picker. Just because I have back-to-back videos today. So, with that being said, this is what you will get. Whoever wins, please, please, please notify me within 24 hours. I need you to leave me a comment below. Let me know that you acknowledge that you have won. And then also leave me, send me an email. I will leave that either in the video itself or in the comments, in the description box below. But please leave me, yeah, well, it definitely is in the description box below. I'll keep it there. But send me a thing in 24 hours, because that way I can get your package out by Friday. If not, somebody else, I can do a redraw and somebody else can win. Now, on to the comment picker. Let's see who won. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing the random comment picker. I've put in the URL from where everybody has helped me with leaving me a comment and helping me decide on what to do with my giveaway. So I've put the URL in. We've got 25 unique comments, and we're going to see who wins. Now, this is the first time I've ever done this, so I figured it was my easiest way. So here we go. Let's see who wins. This and That with Michelle. She says, hi, Carmen. For me, as a slow crafter, I would say option number 2 and maybe an MDC. Those are fun. The end thing, and folks seem to enjoy them. Sparkle on, doll. Yes, ma'am. Sparkle on. So, Michelle, you are the winner. And as I said in the beginning of the video, please leave me, send me an email, leave me a comment below that you have not acknowledged this win. Send me an email with your address, and I will do my best to get your package out by Friday. And let's see, is there anything else I need to let you know? Oh, 24 hours, please. Yay, congratulations. I'm so happy for Michelle. Thank you all so much. And as always, I wish you the best.